I'm on Cotton Patch, and it's the only place you can get chicken fried bacon. It's only $4.99. Oh, that is so good. You should try it at Cotton Patch. Those of you that don't like bacon, that are allergic to bacon, I'm sorry for your loss.